with us because we had no way of transmitting computing over long distances. But folks, the times are a-changing. And what we're seeing now with the internet is that we're building better and better transmission lines for computing so that those local servers are disappearing. I have to say that IT West's sole purpose is to remove the technology headache from small business owners and operators in regional Australia.
A lot of the reason that most people want the perception that they're sold is will save you money. And it's true, it will save you money. Okay? So a lot of people are looking to minimise their IT costs. Right? So a significant amount of everybody's business is spent managing and paying for IT services. Okay? So you've got to maintain them, you've got to update them, you've got to patch them, you've got to buy new ones. Okay? So there's fair cost there, cost involved. So what sort of level is your business now? I mean, have you all got servers? Yeah, all got servers in your business? Okay. And what's your view of technology, just in general? You've got technology in your business. Is it helpful? Is it hindering? Do you wish you didn't have it? Do you wish you went back to the fax machine? And look, I'm asking you to be honest, because again, it just helps me understand. And personally, technology gets in the way a lot of the time, I must admit. It's a pain in the neck. So, I mean, what is your view as people who are in business using the technology every day? I mean, at the moment, all your stuff is in theory in a box you can see and touch, isn't it? If I take that stuff and I put it somewhere and not tell you where it is, but I let you get to it, but I tell you where it is, where that you can get to it, but not where it is, are you comfortable with that? If I take your files, your paper files, and say, if you need them, I'll send them to you, but I'm not telling you where they are. Are you comfortable with that? Right? There's a trust factor. You have to trust me that I don't look through those papers and sell your information or use it for my own benefit. Total cost of Dropbox? 0 for 2 gigabytes. You can pay for more storage space. Right, Humo. Again, that's recently been bought by Trend Micro. If 25 gigs is not enough, these guys will do even more. Okay? So I've got, for example, whole copies of CDs up there that I allow people to download. Again, no cost. Amazon people sell their servers when they're not being used or not high demand. You can buy them and you can rent them per megabyte. You use 1 gigabyte, costs you 15 cents a month to store in their servers. 15 cents a month. Any day, doesn't matter. Allows you to work on images, change images, manipulate images, crop, resize. If you've got, take pictures from home and you want to work on them, have a look at picnic.com. Why should I be doing the work that my customers should be doing for free? If I can get them to type their data in and do the work, it saves me doing it. Okay? Pay by the month by user. They've got a fancy. Okay? When I'm out and about, I remember a note, I write it in my mobile, that gets synced to the cloud, then gets synced to my desktop. Okay? So imagine all the notes that you're writing now, right, taken down. If you could type them into a computer and it would duplicate them to the internet automatically and then to somewhere else automatically, backed up. The biggest problem for most businesses is these stupid little receipts that you get for food and parking and all that sort of stuff. What do you do with them? You put them in a shoebox and at the end of the year you say, accountant, sort this out. And he goes, yes baby, I'll charge you 4 hours worth of time to count receipts. Okay? Shoebox.com is what you do is, they send you an envelope, you put all your receipts into an envelope, you send it off to them, they scan every single receipt and send it back to you, and then categorise it for you. Okay? So if you've got total cost per month, 500 scans a month, 500 receipts, $20. Absolute no-brainer. I'd pay for this. I think it's one of the best services. And does anyone want to guess which service it automatically hooks into? It hooks back into Xero. So when the receipts go into Shoebox and you categorise it correctly, that receipt goes straight into your accounting system. You don't have to type or put an entry in or do anything.